This is going to be so relaxing. Oh, hey there, it's you again. Well, I guess that means you must be ready for another edition of Henkel On Track at Home. Well, let's take a look at the bathroom and I'll show you all of the amazing Henkel brand products that we can find in here. You know, over the months, we've spotlighted many of Henkel's products that you can buy and support as a Henkel employee. We talked about Henkel's laundry products that keep things like your towels looking and smelling great. And we highlighted some of the products that keep your counters clean and your room smelling fresh. But Henkel also has a boatload of products that help keep us clean, smelling fresh, and looking great too. For instance, Citrashine products, manufactured by Henkel's Schwarzkopf division, has a great smelling line of nourishing and shine-enhancing hair products, including shampoos, conditioners, and award-winning anti-frizz serums. Then there's Schwarzkopf's Got2b hair products that give your hair pure attitude, with hip, street-styling products that include smoothing lotions, gels, hairsprays, collagen-infused stylers, and heat protection treatments. As well as Got2b Glued Spiking Glue, America's #1 glue for screaming hold. Everything you need to add excitement, creativity, and fun to both your hair and your life. Next, there's Henkel's LA Looks Hair Styling Gels, another top seller in the US, designed to give your hair absolutely what it needs. Absolute styling performance, absolute fixation, absolute resistance, and absolute durability. So your hairstyle stands up and stands out. And finally, there's our Depth Sport Hair Care products, which offer hip, stylish, trend-forward styling products for men with active lifestyles, delivering the absolute maximum in hold, performance, and control. But that's not it, because everything you see here is part of the Henkel family too. Yep, thanks to our exciting partnership with the Dial Corporation, Henkel products can be found in bathrooms around the world with both tried and true and innovative products like high-quality antiperspirants and deodorants, like these, and bar soaps, just like these here, hand soaps, like these two, and bath and shower products, just like this. You know, speaking of baths, I think mine's getting cold. So now you see what it takes to make your bathroom and your home a Henkel On Track home. Great products, great brands, great technologies, and most of all, great employees like you. So keep up the good work, and hopefully I'll see you down the Henkel consumer product aisle sometime soon. Now, where do I put that rubber ducky? There he is.